Stellair ACE pressure feed guns have all-star ergonomics, serviceability, and performance. Stellair ACE box is sealed with a hologram seal, guaranteeing your air spray gun comes from Graco manufacturing. Once the seal is broken, your Stellair ACE is presented in a tray. Remove the spray gun from the tray. The tray should be taken out to find a tool that is used for seal installation. Red, white, and blue fan adjustment knob caps replace the black knob for easy gun identification. Fluid inlet adapter to attach a 3/8" fluid supply hose fitting. A tool must be used to tighten the fitting onto the gun and hose. Stellair ACE instruction manual, which includes installation and maintenance instructions, gun component repair and part numbers for gun models, repair kits and accessories. For more information on Stellair ACE, go to www.graco.com/StellairAce.